Hello everyone, let's start with question number 4. So it says find the domain and range of the real function f defined by fx equal under root x minus 1. So now we would be taking some x positive values and 0 as well and some negative values to find out whether fx is positive, negative or 0. So we would be taking x as 1. So if x is 1, then my fx will be 1 minus 1, that is 0. Now if I take x as 2, so it will be under root 1. Now if I take 0 as x, so it will be minus under root 1. Now if I take x as 1, so it will be, x is 1 is done. So I would be taking some negative values, that is minus 1. So if I put x as minus 1 here, so it will be minus 1, that is under root minus 2. Now I will check with one more value, that is minus 2. So under root minus 3 will be the fx. If I put minus 2 here, so minus 2 minus 1 is minus under root 3. So now you can see that only when we have x positive value, we get fx as positive. Now if I take 0, 0 is coming out to be under root negative 1. So it is not a real number. At minus 1 again it is not a real number. Again at minus 2 it is not a real number. But in the case of 1 it is a real number. At case x equal to, it is again a real number. So only at x greater than 1 we can say that the value will be positive and will be a real number, and at that condition my fx will be always positive. So from this we can conclude that my domain should be at least 1 and will go until infinity, any positive term. So it will be 1 comma infinity. Now we need to write the range. So range will be fx and will be at least 0 and will go to any number, that is infinity. So it will start from 0 and infinity will be the number at end. So this is the domain and range of the real function.